In this video, I will show you how I created this bumper, and then I will show you how to install it onto your TRX4. The stock front bumper gives you about 8.5 centimeters of clearance, and it gives you about 60 degrees angle of attack. I designed this new bumper to have a more low profile design so it would perform better outside on the trails and would not get hung up as much on the rocks like the stock one does. I also added LED light buckets so that you could put LEDs and light up the trail with the bumpers. Then I added D-ring hitch points so that you could attach the stock D-rings that come with the stock bumper onto this new bumper. Then when I mirrored the two parts, they were symmetrical and I just printed it on my printer. Here is the new bumper. Let's install it. First, we need to remove the body. Then there are two screws holding down the bumper. And the second. Now we can slide the bumper out and slide the new one in. Put the two screws back. Now we can put the body back on. With the new bumper, we get about 9 centimeters of clearance and about 70 degrees angle of attack. We can also have these 5mm LEDs, 2 on each side, and the channels for the cables on the inside. D-rings that come with a stock bumper are also compatible with this bumper. If you would like to download and print this bumper, I will have a link in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing as it helps out the channel. Thank you.